here with our new director, Elena. We have like 5 minutes before they come downstairs.
Go!
What do we do? That's actual girls. That's dangerous.
Trevor couldn't open that, but it's super easy.
That got hurt. Okay, what are we gonna make? I mean, the ice cream we already made. That's what we were doing last time, so.
Yeah.
Let's make.
The struggle to find a recipe prevails.
No.
Let's make cookies.
Oh, look, there's already cookies on.
Hurry, Tacie. I don't know what to do. Hurry! Oh, make a vegetable stew.
Vegetable stew. No one likes vegetable stew.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
Make cookies! Make cookies!
Okay. What flavored cookie?
What's a donut?
I know.
Guys.
What flavored cookie?
A sugar cookie. So we have.
They're rolling the dough. They're rolling out.
This is a roll.
What is this called?
This is a rolling pin. We're just gonna roll the dough.
Frosting. I'll make the frosting.
She'll make the frosting. I'm just gonna.
Good work, ladies. Didn't move on.
Look at this bowl.
Use this ice cream. Oh, nope. Use the bowl. Use the bowl.
We can eat the ice cream we made in our last episode, which got cut because Andrew deleted the video. But it's fine. Is the frosting ready? The cookie is almost ready.
Wait, you don't like chocolate, Sadie?
You don't make it for yourself. Make it for this. Okay.
You're right.
This is the frosting.
Hurry! Don't pause! Go! No! Make the frosting! Make the frosting! Then make crepes!
Next time. Next time.
Okay, we're making crepes next time, people. Next time.
Ooh, super cute.
Is this the finished result? We have a lovely sugar cookie with a chocolate ganache topping, which is frosting, and some beautiful gourmet rainbow sprinkles. Wow, congrats ladies, you've created a masterpiece. And that concludes our episode of Tacie and Sadie's Kitchen, directed by Elena.